slot family? This is a freehand video. No monopod, no tripod. Just playing for fun here. And we landed the minor. $500. So let's see what it turns into. I asked for it. I got stupid sisters sitting here. And not only did I ask for it, I got it. So now I'm going to ask for that green major. Show me the major. And again, sorry about the wiggling. I'm just sitting here having fun with stupid sister before she flies out of Vegas. And no monopod, no tripod. Just a wiggly old man hand. Hey, we could fill this booger up too, huh? Uh-oh. 3 shots in 3 spots, as Slot Cracker would say. I saw a mini go by for 100. Can you show me all the colors? That's okay. We are more than happy to take that. That's a good way to exit Las Vegas before our planes get here. Let's watch it count up. That's a beautiful thing. Used to play a lot of Chuco in the old days, and I walked away from them. But there it is, $540. We'll do one spin-off. And as usual, thank you for watching. So I'm bringing you into part 2 of this. As usual, when it's time to leave and it's the day to leave, the Cosmo likes to pay. It's like they know. So this is minor number 2 on the same Chuco. Let's see what we can do. Will it drop its cousin? Cousin Major or Cousin Mini? I just saw its Mini go by. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 shots, 7 spots. Okay. 3 shots, 4 spots. There's always that chance we could fill this whole thing up too and win that grand for $10,000. That'd be a way to go out. 3 shots, 2 spots, as that guy Slot Cracker would say. The music is picked up. The entire casino's dancing. That's all it wrote. But we are super happy with that. I see a 25, a couple 10s, and of course that 500, 9 more. Let's watch it add up. Minor. That should be good for $577.50 if my math is correct. Oh, yep. Just kidding. All right, that brings us up over 1,000. I'll do one spin-off because you have to. And thank you. And maybe we will land another minor. We've got the mini. Fill it up. I think somebody else says that. Shots, 5 spots. 1 shot, 5 spots. Oh, we're back with 3 shots and 3 spots. Sorry about the freehand. I'm just here having fun, having coffee. Wasn't really planning on recording anything, but now we have 3 shots at 1 spot. And you're looking at a $10,000 grand. What a way to go out and leave. Got an airplane in a couple minutes I gotta go catch. They say if you see it, you're gonna get it. I didn't see it. But let's see what that adds up to. Cha-ching. $150. And that brings us up to $12.39. Started with a $100 bill, so this is a good run. Here's your spin-off. Uh-oh, I'll do one more. That was too close. Thanks for watching.